Internet fraud and fraudulent job recruitment schemes have been on the ascendancy lately. While efforts have been made to combat the rising menace, perpetrators continue to find other ways of defrauding their victims. Speaking at the event, Head of Global Compliance at QNET, Naana Quartey, said the anti-fraud organization does not condone unethical practices. She called for public awareness, urging citizens to stay informed and report suspicious schemes.
The core objective is to inform people about ways of avoiding being victims of scams. We thought that a program like this, where thousands of pastors are gathered, it will be a fine opportunity to send the message across to the people who are the usual targets of these scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it is indeed too good to be true. When somebody is telling you to pay money before you get a certain international job, when the person is giving you pressure to pay money, so please be vigilant. Update somebody about your movement so that people can advise you. This thing this person is telling you doesn't sound right, and then you're well advised.
She said QNET has rolled out stricter compliance systems, mandatory ethics training for its distributors, and deeper collaboration with law enforcement agencies to tackle the menace.
We have a collaboration with EOCO. This collaboration is a 360 campaign we are doing. We are going across all 16 regions of Ghana. We also have collaborations with the Ghana Police where we are helping with investigations. We're also collaborating with the Ghana Immigration Service where we provide information as well that informed them that we were ready to fight, and so they were ready to collaborate with us.